going?
Vegas, baby.
What are we doing in Vegas?
We are going to stay at the Mandalay Bay. The Mandalay Bay, Eric, for your reference.
It's a very hard word to pronounce.
And we're gonna hang by the pool with Emily. He's gonna meet Emily and Peter for the first time. My sister and brother-in-law. And then we're gonna hang out and get dinner someplace fancy. Probably not that fancy, but you know, it's his birthday, so we'll celebrate. And then we're gonna go and get drunk and watch Steve Aoki perform some house music. So
we won't only watch, we will also
dance and take shots and be responsible adults, of course, but
have fun with it.
Having fun.
That's right, folks. You heard it here first. It'll be a fun, beautiful time. I'm 28 years old today. I've officially, I didn't make the 27 club, so yeah, so I guess when I get reincarnated, I guess we'll see what happens. And we got a 3-hour drive ahead of us, 3.5-hour drive. Go through Zion, go through St. George. It'll be nice. Take her through the desert. All right. Say bye to the camera.
Yeah. It's just, they don't want that. I really like your wall situation.
Thank you. We put it up when we got it.
Good job.
Don't mind me.
Can't make them birthday free, but I can make them birthday big.
Yes, thank you so much. That was nice.
The second time he's made those shots.
Today?
In my life.
Ever? Really?
You can't believe what?
It's not.
Hold on.
Good evening.
Hi.
Welcome. Cool room, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it. My team and I are at your service. My name's Ben. Here's some menus for you to peruse, all right?
Do I like peach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that peach bliss is wonderful. It's done with Kettle One Botanical.
Do you like the matcha mule?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
I'm a
for
huge
sure.
fan of matcha.
Then you'll love that.
Okay.
Hello, GoPro. A great start to that video. We were eating. What are we eating?
K-U-M-I?
K-U-M-I. Kumi. It's in the Mandalay Hotel.
Can you get it right once?
Mandalay. It's a confusing word. Mandalay Hotel. Oh, hold on. Just kidding. I thought he was going to talk to us.
We're going to film him.
Get it bored. I was literally holding it like this. We've been. Oh, we're just both of us have one sushi thing left. So let's eat it together. And look how good we are with our sushi sticks.
Sushi sticks. You're so right.
Chopsticks. You know what affects it all? Alcohol. Somebody else now. All right.
Cheers.
Look at the mess. This 5-star place better at napkins. I'm gonna write on review a Yelp in a minute. I sure am. Look at the mess though. So good. We had a appetizer, 2 little sandwiches, pulled pork sandwiches, and then California rolls and the salmon rolls. Very good, delicious. And our waiter has been very nice, trying to get that tip money. He'll get it. And we're gonna get free dessert. Hold on. Don't. How cool was that?